In this video, I'm going to talk about the automated festival greeting through WhatsApp. This amazing program allows you to wish your friends, family members, and customers on the festivals automatically using a Google Sheet. So, these are some special features. So, you can have unlimited templates. I have created 5 templates for you, and you can create as many templates as you like. You can personalize the messages with the name of the recipient. Again, you can add new people to whom you want to send the message through a Google form. You can also attach any kind of a file through Google Drive. So any kind of file can be attached to Google Drive. And again, you can create multiple schedules, so you can have different schedules for sending different types of messages. So for instance, you want to have two separate kind of schedules, one for your office, one for your clients, one for your family and friends. So all of this can be done. It will detect any duplicate numbers. There is an option to add a salutation or remove it. And again, the sending capability is 100 to 500 messages per hour. And it will continue to send the messages till all the messages are gone. So even if you have a huge list of say 300, 400, 500, or even 1,000 people, so it will continue to send the WhatsApp till all the messages are gone. So guys, I have given a link of the Google Sheet that will be used for this purpose. So you can actually make a copy from the link that you will find on the page where you got this video. So you can click on that and make a copy. So I'll just click here and make a copy. So now that we've got this copy here, let me explain this sheet to you. So this is the very first sheet where you can add the contacts to whom you want to send the messages. So you can keep adding people here manually, for example. And you can put in the numbers here. Again, there's a small check that we have got here to ensure that it's a 10-digit mobile number. And again, I can put another number here, so on and so forth. And you need to give a schedule. So let us, for the demo purposes, put schedule number 1. Another way to enter the details of people is through a Google form. So you can click here on form and click on go to live form. So here I can put numbers like this. Put a schedule number, say this is 1, and click on submit. And when I come back here, you will see that we got this entry from the Google form. So don't worry if it enters in between, that really does not make any difference at all. So this is the first sheet. And in case if you happen to put a duplicate number, for example, so the sheet will show that this number is duplicate. So this way you will come to know that you are entering someone's number again and you can remove it. Now come to the second part of the sheet. So this is where we will need to set up our templates for the messages. So these are the different messages. For example, we have Christmas is coming soon. So this is a Christmas message. So may this Christmas season bring you nothing but fond memories. This is the option for salutation. So if you switch it off, then the message will be sent as it is without any dear XYZ. So I think it is better to give a salutation here so that the message is personalized. So it will go like dear Ekta, dear Vandana, dear Amit, like this. So you must have the salutation on, and then image. So you can click here and see what kind of image will be sent. So this image is done using the Google Drawings. So friends, now you see that my phone is online. As a next step, what we will do is we will test the templates that we have created. So you can test them one by one. You can select which message you like to test. Say, let me check one, and I click on this send test what. And now, as you can see, that the script is running, and our message is here. So as you can see here that this was the same image which we had modified, and here is the message, and it says dear sgenid@gmail.com. So do note that for the test messages you will get your own email ID instead of the name, but this is only for test messages. The actual messages will go out with the person's name. And now you need to select at what time you want to send what these messages. So for example, if you want to send them at 8 in the morning, or say 7 in the morning, you want to be the first one to wish them, then select 7, click on COIT box and click on create trigger. And here you will see trigger has been set up to send WhatsApp automatically every half an hour starting at 7. So why it says every half an hour is because if there are larger number of messages, and it will keep attempting to send them after some break. So this prevents WhatsApp from marking your account as spam and banning it. So it will send all the possible messages for some time, then stop, then again start after 30 minutes. But don't get worried, there will be no duplicate messages. And as you can see, the trigger has been set up. And now we talk about the schedule. So we have set up these templates, but where do we set up the time and the date? This is the time, but what is the date on which we will be sending this message? So this part is done under the schedule. So as you can see earlier that these are the different schedules, and these schedules here, uh, we have 4 people in these schedules. So where it is counting them from, let me show you. So we have these 4 people, and these 4 people are in schedule number 1. So you see here, so this is the schedule number 1. Here, these columns are automated, number B and number C, these are automated. Here you can put in the send interval, but actually that is not required. For festivals, we will be putting in the dates manually. So friends, you will see here that right now there is no template to be sent here, but the moment I put in today's date, that is 8/12, you will find that the template number is selected automatically, and this message will go at the triggered time. But since right now it is 1:28 p.m. and now that time is already passed, I will try and trigger this manually. I go here and click on this now. This is just for manual sending purposes or for demo purposes. You don't have to do this. I just want to simulate how these messages will go at 7 a.m. on the desired day. So the script is running, and as you can see that it has sent across the message number 1 at this time, and this is a success. Let us check on my phone, and you can see here the message has been sent. So the messages may not appear immediately, but let us look at this. So this is how the message went. So if you go to the next page here, the send report, you will see that it has sent 4 messages, and these 4 messages, it took 35 seconds to send them. So it gives you some idea as to how much time it will take in case you have a larger number of messages. I like to do one thing, that you can find the details of all our different programs on live.coitbox.com. So we have different types of apps. So there are marketing apps. So these are the marketing apps. So this is our automated newsletter system that can send messages at regular intervals to a certain group of people. This is lead nurturing. So anyone who walks into your store or your business will get automated messages and get nurtured and get converted into a customer. Then this is a festival greeting, so that can send festival greetings to your customers in a customized, in a personalized way, so with their names. Same way is these the birthday and anniversary greeting. Similarly, we have the operational apps. For example, this is the automated delegation. So this is a systematic way of giving the task to your employees through WhatsApp, and it will also give them a score on a weekly basis and follow up for you. This is completely automated CRM through WhatsApp, so no need for any laptops or complicated software. People will get details of their inquiries and follow them up and update you through their mobile phones. Similarly, sending repeated reminders to people to remind them of important tasks, and most importantly, collecting payments through WhatsApp by sending them reminders along with the invoices and ledgers. So these are the applications, but in all these applications, one thing that you must remember is this, that you need to buy credits. So these are application, but you need to have a credit. So like you send SMS, so you need a messaging server. Similarly, you need to get a messaging server credits to send the WhatsApp from your mobile number. So these credits are to be purchased separately. So there are different options. For example, in the silver option, you can buy 48,000 credits, that is 4,000 credits per month, or you can use them at one go. So these are valid for 1 year, or you can buy 96,000 credits, or you can get unlimited credits. So these are the different plans. So these are the annual plans, and then if you want to try it out first, then you can go for the quarterly plans. And there are FAQs here, so you can see the FAQs here. So you can change the mobile number as many times as you want, and you can send a text and a file with one credit. So these are different FAQs, so feel free to go through them. So I just want to remind you that you need to get a server set up also. So this is the credits, you need to get these credits along with these sheets. So don't forget that. So once you are buying the sheet, but you also need to buy the credits to send the WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Just wanted to remind you of this. And for more details, visit live.coitbox.com.